This is our Brierly Drill Grinder. We'll sharpen from an 1/8 to a 2-inch drill bit. It's got a 6-inch 6-jaw self-centering chuck. Also have a number 2 Morse taper sleeve for doing tapered drill bits. The machine is very quiet, all original paint. It has coolant system. Brierly is still in business, so any accessories that you would need for this machine are certainly readily available. We're going to bring it on for you and just show you some things moving. So this shows the head rotating. You can work it in either direction. It has stops for the degree of your point, so you can automatically stop it. The head will swivel. Also, you can bring your head in and out. You can see it moving. And then it has a slate feed in. Going to bring it on. You'll hear the spindle very quiet. This is our Brierly model ZB-50 drill bit grinder. Thank you for watching.